How to activate Dubai Islamic Bank debit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can activate your Dubai Islamic Bank's debit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First up, open up your web browser. Then what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your online banking. So head over to your online banking. This is a direct tutorial by Dubai Islamic Bank. So first you'll need to log in into your online banking. Select card activation. After you've selected your card activation, you can select the pin from the menu and set pin option from menu. After you've done that, you can then select your debit card, since we are talking about debit card in this video, and then enter a 4-digit pin of your choice. Then do the same to confirm it. And after you've done that, you will then receive a OTP on your mobile device, that is on your number that you have used while creating your account. Then what will happen is that after you enter the OTP that you received, click on confirm, and then you can set the pin and activate the card. And it's that simple to activate your Dubai Islamic Bank's debit card. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.